Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Motorola Razr R70 Plus. First, enable auto rotate. Scroll down here and tap on this icon to see the auto rotate information. Make sure you enable it. Next, test by tilting your phone in different apps to check the gyroscope. The Google Messages app works properly. Photos also works properly, same with Play Store and settings. If something doesn't work, I recommend restarting the phone to reset the sensors. Press the power button and volume up button at the same time, tap restart. After the restart, update your software to fix any sensor issues. Open Settings, swipe down to System Updates, and tap Check for updates. If you don't have the latest software, I recommend updating to avoid old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.